mga loves, good afternoon. So, here we are again, another real talk with your palangga. As I was watching video reels a while ago, one video caught my attention and it really makes me feel so sad because the video is all about bullying. I don't really understand the society or even the youth of today why it is so easy for them to bully someone who doesn't even bully them. Like, let's face it, no? Let's talk about me. Rita, ay mo na kong example ako ang self. Ako, nagdako ko since my elementary days until now. The bullying is still there. Like, I don't care anymore. As long as I don't hurt you, as long as I don't mind your life, like I'm not meddling with any business relating to you, I don't care. As long as don't hurt me. Even though, oo, sakit kay mangbuli ka, wagas, diba? Like, makapanaway ka na ako, murag jud og ka na bang, ikaw na yung perfect na tao. Ikaw na yung gwapa, ikaw na yung puti, ikaw na yung hamis, ikaw na yung tanan sa imo, I don't care. Because I am already immune of the system of bullying nga kanabang, like, hello, I am even asking, like, Lord, nganong ibuli man ko nila nga nigra ko? They can't see me as a black woman? Like, I am already a negra. So why are you bullying me like I'm negra? I'm itom. Kita kag negrang puti. Hello? Diba? And you are bullying me, it's because of my color. It's because of what I look like. And hello, walay sa amin sa inyong balay. Para sa ako well, naandan na ako. So, kana bang naka-realize ko nga